Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful Lily Pond Trinket Tray. So I will share from scratch how to make the base using modeling clay, how to create these beautiful lily flowers along with the boat, leaves, stones and the beautiful shaded green background. Everything is handmade and this is looking absolutely stunning, isn't it? I'm just loving the color combination so much. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I'm taking modeling clay, which is ready-made clay, and just taking little quantity of clay and rolling it on the surface using rolling pin, and we have to make a flat chapati or roti. Then using 14 cm diameter circular plate, putting it on my clay and just cutting it around the edge of the plate using cutter or X-Acto knife. Just removing the excess clay. And this is done. Then here I am taking again the same modeling clay and rolling it vertically like this and creating thin clay ribbons like this, which is 1 cm in width. So it will be as the edge of our trinket tray. Now adding little glue on the edge of the circle and connecting 1 cm ribbon which we have cut, and the thickness of this ribbon is approx 5 mm. Now inside this I am adding a thin pipe of clay so that we can merge the border with the plate nicely together to bind it in a place, and it will also look more smooth. So we have to smoothen it with wet brush from all the sides, and after smoothening it, it should look like this. So our trinket tray base is ready. Now allow it to dry completely for 2 days. And one more thing I want to add here while it is drying. To decorate my trinket tray from edge, I am adding here some small stones here and there like this. Just take little bit of clay on your palm, roll it in random shape and connecting these pebbles in 2 corners like this. Now allow it to dry completely for 2 days. Then I am starting with making small lilies. So here I am taking my handmade cold porcelain clay and mixing the rose pink color and little bit of fluorescent pink color in the clay. Mix it very well. And now we have beautiful color for the lily flowers, putting it on the surface and making a small chapati again using rolling pin. Don't make it too thin, keep it approx 2 mm thick, taking little bit of talcum powder, and here I am using these 2 daisy flower cutter in smallest size, cutting the flower like this using both the sizes. And now I am making some small cuts toward the center inside each petal, and using this cone shaped tool I am shaping each petal like this. So this is done. Just putting it on your palm and roll it the center part using any ball tool. Repeating the same process with the small flower. Again roll it in the center using ball tool on your palm, then taking both the flowers and layer it together like this. Pinch it in the center using ball tool. And the beautiful lily base is ready. Now to add pollens, here I am taking yellow color clay, making small balls like this, very small, very tiny, and add glue inside the lily flower and fill this with these small yellow balls, so it will look like the pollens. And our super cute clay lily is ready. So with the same method, I have already prepared lots of lilies already. Now allow it to dry. Then we are starting with making the leaves. So putting little talcum powder on the base and using green color clay. I have just mixed sap green color with my clay to create this kind of green color. Take any round shape thing. So I don't have round cutter, so I'm just marking with round cap of my bottle and cutting it using scissors. Flatten it little bit using fingers and make a small cut in the corner in A shape. And the super cute lily leaf petal is ready. Now to make veins, here I am using my paper cutter and creating the veins very carefully. You don't need to cut the clay, so do it very gently. Making small veins. And the super cute leaf is ready. And after putting the lily on the leaf, it should look like this. So cute. And I have already created lots of lily leaves. So allow it to dry as well. Then after drying your petal, it's time to color this using acrylic colors. So here I am using yellow color for the center. And then using dark green color, I am highlighting the veins and also doing little bit of shading. So the final version of leaf should look like this. Now starting with making the boat. So here I am just rolling my brown color clay on the base, cutting it like a boat shape using paper cutter. So just marking using cutter like this, and for the finished look I am cutting using scissors. So whatever design you like for boat, you can follow this method, and this is very easy to create, trust me. Now adding the edge using small brown color ribbons, which are clay ribbons. Then creating some wooden effect on the boat using backside of clay cutter. adding one small triangle piece in the front. And for the bench, I am adding 2 strips inside the boat. And the super cute boat is ready. So adorable, I like to try. And here I have created one more shape of the boat in leaf shape. So instead of cutting from back side, I have created here whole leaf shape kind of boat. So you can decide whatever design you like, you can put as the boat. The process is same. Now our base is completely dried. I have kept it for 48 hours. And now it's time to sand it. So before starting with the coloring work, we have to smoothen the surface from front and from the back. So sand it nicely. And after sanding it, this is nice and smooth. Then it's time to color this. So here I'm taking dark green acrylic color to color my base. You can also use chalk paints. And this is non-glossy color, but you can use glossy one as well. Don't forget to color the edges as well. Then it's time to color the pebbles or the stones using dark gray color. And then randomly I am making some foliages and leaf patterns on the base using light green acrylic color. Now I'm making lily leaves. So after attaching the actual clay leaf on top of this, it will look like some lilies are inside the water and some lilies are on the top. So it will give nice 3D effect to your work. Now making some veins using dark green color. And this is completely done. Now I'm positioning my boat and I'm taking eye-shaped boat and just using white marker to create some water effect on both sides of the boat in both the corners. So currently I haven't stuck my boat. I have just created the water effect, and before sticking anything I am just applying here gloss varnish on the base. So after applying varnish and after drying the varnish completely, you can also pour the resin on top of this. So it's all up to you. If you want more glossy and more sturdy effect, you can pour resin or you can just keep it as it is. So I applied here 3 coats of varnish and it's not yet dried completely, but I am going to stick my things. So starting with the boat, and then I'll attach all the lily leaves and flowers. It's looking little whitish currently because the varnish is not yet completely dried, but after drying it will look nice, transparent and glossy. I have given all my supply links in the description box with the coupon codes. So if you want to purchase anything, don't forget to check out the coupon, and also you can find all the links in the description. Then sticking lilies here and there. And then it's time to color the edge of our trinket tray using gold acrylic color for the nice finished look. It's looking absolutely stunning, isn't it? At the end, I am adding some water droplets here and there to give a realistic look on the leaves. And the super gorgeous, super glossy Lily Pond Trinket Tray is completely ready. Now you can put small keychains, small accessories, jewelry on top of this, and you can decorate your dressing table or your small corner of the house using this beautiful trinket tray. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.